Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA has broken the initial trend line that we have been talking about of this correction. Obviously, for anybody who's new on the channel, I'm tracking this as a wave 2 correction after a 5-wave leading diagonal completed in March. At least that is the current thesis. The move down is seen as an ABC structure in wave 2. It's reached all downside targets. It's reached even here the area around, I think I accidentally shifted this a little bit, didn't I? Or maybe not. No, mixing things up. That's all good. It reached the area around the golden ratio level 36 cents. That was the first ideal target, well, one of the ideal targets here, should we get a break out of this range to the downside. So we've done everything. We have a full wave count, the low could be in, everything good. But we need to see a little bit more action to the upside. We need some kind of a signal to say that we've really bottomed. I mean, I already gave you a signal, right? Something to watch for, which was the descending trend line. I highlighted to you that a break above the descending trend line would be the earliest signal that we could have struck a low. That is far from reliable, but it makes this chart now a little bit more interesting after we've had pretty much a week of just sideways action again. This is still sideways action, but at least we're breaking above a certain dynamic resistance. And now is the step to watch for a potential 5-wave move up. So that means I need to see these 5 waves to the upside in order to confirm that we've actually bottomed. So what does that mean? Well, I need to see certain levels reached now in each of these movements. So I want to see a third wave. So obviously we have already a 1-2. This is not a reliable 1-2 setup as such, because the wave 1 is a 3-wave move. I need 5 waves of the next wave degree, because the initial wave 1 is just a 3-wave move. So 3 waves in 1, 3 waves in 2, and then I need probably 3 waves in wave 3 to reach pretty much 42 cents or higher. So if it can get now to, well, 41.7 cents, that's the next milestone reached or higher. Then I need a 4th wave, which will hold certain support levels, which I cannot define until I have the 3rd wave completed. And the 5th wave, I can already tell you that I need 5 waves to 42.8 cents at least. So basically 43 cents. If the price cannot form a 3rd wave that reaches 41.7 cents, I have no indication that a low is formed. And if the price then cannot go on to form 5 waves, then yeah, I mean, minimum requirement now would be for the price to actually get to 41.7. A 3rd wave can be a bit weaker, but that is just, again, it doesn't give us a viable 3rd wave. But either way, I need the 5 waves. That's really key. Once I get these 5 waves, I can call that wave 1. Can call that wave 1, and I will add for the subsequent pullback, which would be expected afterwards, I will then add another support area for wave 2. I can also give you a support for wave 4 once the 3rd wave has reached 41.7 cents. That's what I'm watching for now. This is only valid as long as the price holds the Monday low, so above 36 cents. The golden ratio level has really held nicely. Bitcoin sold off yesterday quite strongly. Most altcoins actually did hold really well, okay, including ADA, which is interesting. I mean, we don't really have a structural break on the Bitcoin dominance chart yet, but we're still looking currently at altcoins that are holding quite well after they've obviously been bleeding out already before. So, but yeah, that's basically what I'm watching for now. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.